Hi everyone, today is July 10, 2022. It is around 10 a.m. It's a Sunday morning. It is very sunny, very nice day today in Toronto. Very warm. There's a lot of cool breeze and very low humidity. Here is Cycle Solutions Bicycle Shop. At the start of the video, there was a bicycle that's there for a long time. It looks very cool, very unique. So I really wanted to capture that for you guys. Here's a place that Tasty Sip and Bite. They have all-day breakfast here. Here's H&R Block if you got to do your taxes. It's a very quiet Sunday morning here in Toronto. I just finished doing a third update video of the Cabbagetown Parkscape, which is coming along very well. I'm very impressed. It looks very nice. It's an amazing project. I hope that they do more of those kinds of projects in the future. Here's the 506 Carlton streetcar heading to Hyde Park. Here's Anniversary Park. I don't know what this thing is here. Very interesting structure. Here's a closer, a more total view. I'm not sure what that is. Maybe an antenna of some sort, or an exhaust of some sort. Here's the Parliament Pharmacy and Parliament Medical Clinic building. And of course, that's the Parliament Toronto Library. Here's the Hakka Bistro. These are the kind of days that I like most, where it's hot, but it's not humid. And it's very sunny, though it can be very overbearing at times if you're doing a lot of walking or outdoor activities. I want to extend a special thank you to all my subscribers who've supported me on this channel so far. I'm going to continue trying my best to make high quality content for you guys. And if you're watching this, I hope you, and you're not subscribed, I hope you subscribe, and I hope you like this video. Please leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. There's a Tim Hortons store at the corner. That place is usually very busy most of the time. And there's some graffiti. It's hard to see behind this fence. Here's the Surma supermarket, halal meat and fish. Here's Bob's Convenience and East Coast Donair. We're now here at Dundas and Parliament Street.
Because they want the house sometimes.